I'm Rebecca Brand, and I love a cocktail. Not every cocktail, though, I want to have alcohol. In fact, sometimes I like a cocktail shaken and not slurred. So I researched into beverages to find a cocktail type of beverage that feels great drinking at a party, but that wouldn't contain alcohol and that I could keep in my fridge. I found Curious Elixirs, which is a subscription club, which gives me variety in my life. Check out this Curious number 2, which I have right here. It's 8 cocktails in 4 bottles, and this one is a bright, spicy ginger pineapple flavor. Because I want something really fun to drink if I'm at a party and don't want the alcohol. I'm tired of sparkling water. I like some flavor. It makes me feel a little more festive. This flavor of the Curious Elixir number 2 is spicy. It's kind of a pineapple margarita, and it has a dark and stormy feel to it, which makes you a little more mysterious. It's made with organic citrus, peppers, ginger, and it has an ancient Mayan herb, damiana, that mellows out your taste buds. And that herb has this cool mellowing effect for your taste buds, not your mood. So put some ice in a glass, fill her up, and take off her top. Oh, aren't you curious? I smell that ginger from here. So pour it into your glass. Oh yeah. And I'm gonna add a slice of lemon or lime, as the case may be, because it marries well. And I like to rub the lemon on the edge of my glass and fill her to the top. Isn't that refreshing? So time to try it with you. I love that pineapple and ginger combination. It's a hot day today where I live. And that's what I want to drink, day and night. And it's good. I wish you were here with me for my cocktail hour. It's happy hour somewhere, and right now it's happy hour in my kitchen. Click the link below and get your Curious Elixir subscriptions. Check them out. They're delicious, and it feels like you're really having a party in a glass when you don't want to do the alcohol that maybe your friends are doing. I don't always want to go down that path. Salute. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel, and let's keep making great recipes in life. Like a recipe for a great happy hour that I can drive after. Union break. If you like this video, check out these other videos. They're kind of long, the same thing.